In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful head wrap. So just take a look at it. So first of all, of course, please ignore my rough hair. So now I'm taking my gele. My gele is not so long and it's not so wide. However, it is thick enough to stand. Yes. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be twisting it. I'm twisting it not too tight so that I can still manipulate it when I wrap it around my head. So I'm twisting it until it gets to the middle of my head. You can also do this with your head wrap or your scarf, but I'm showing you with also gele. So now I'm going to be using a rubber band and I'm going to be tying it where it fits my head, the point it fits my head. I had to take it off because, of course, this is a tutorial and I was using a very small mirror. But you can tie it while it's on your head, whichever you prefer. So you can see I'm tying it and I'm going to fit it on my head to be sure that I tied it in the right place. You can see it feels tight. It feels tight on my head. If it doesn't, you can pull the rubber to downwards so that it's tighter. Now I'm beginning to spread the hands of my gele and I am going to create a fuller part while gripping the end portion of my gele. Then I am going to stuff it in under the rubber band for the rubber band to grip it. So you can see it there. You can see the portion I have left is very small. That's because my gele is not long. So if you use a long gele, you may have a lot of portion there and you may find it hard to hide it. So don't use an extremely long gele. So now that I've stuffed it in, I put it in. However, I discovered that what I stuffed in was kind of big. The portion I have left is kind of big because the bigger it is, the bigger your the rose or the flower there will be. So I had to reduce it a little and I wore it back and tightened it also. So you can see now I'm going to be spreading those things that I've the two hands because I bent it. Remember, you're going to bend it together to a point and fold it in. This is for it to be able to unwrap like this, like a flower. So once it unwraps, you're going to take the both ends of both of them and you may want to pin it together. So I'm going to be taking my pin to pin it. Mind you, this kind of head wrap should be done, of course, when you have thoroughly done your hair or you're on like your wig. So just ignore the fact I'm on all back. So, it's just to give it much more class to it, elegance to it. So you can see the up one, I'm also pinning it. You want to pin from the back so that the pin is well hidden. So you can see now that the flower is formed. Now all you need to do is adjust it as it suits your face. So now I'm going to be turning it to the side just to give it that, unique model-ish kind of look. Fancy, classy, elegant kind of style. So here is the final look. Very easy. You can do this in about 3 minutes with your gele. And this is the finished end, the finished look. And if you found this video helpful, please do well to leave a like. Do well to comment what other styles, if there's any style you like of gele you like me to do, please leave it in the comment section. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so when next I drop a new video, you will be the first to see it. So stay tuned, and this is the final look. You can also turn it to the front if you would like it to be in the front, just for uniqueness. This gele can be worn for any occasion, any owambe, any event. So stay tuned for more, and bye.